Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to view a text files content or text within a command line window, whether it's command prompt or PowerShell. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. And then once na-open mo na tong command prompt, and then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-copy yung text file na na-create na natin. So open lang natin ang ating File Explorer, and then itong tutorial na to kung paano mag-create ng text file at mag-edit ay lalagay ko sa description box para mas madaling masundan. Alright, so select lang natin dito yung folder na na-create na natin. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa right side, makikita mo na dito yung ating na-create na text file. Alright, so kailangan natin yan i-copy. So right click and then click mo dito yung copy. And then dito sa ating desktop screen, so ipipaste natin yung text file. Ayan. So makikita mo dito na na-paste na natin dito. Ang next step ay back lang tayo dito sa CMD. Okay, so kung paano ba natin i-view yung text file dito sa CMD or command prompt. So ang next step dito ay kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command key na type. Ayan. So kailangan mo lang i-write dito yung type TYPE and then space and next step. So ito yung pinaste natin dito na text file. So ida-drag natin yan. So drag natin dito and then paste path file and then press mo lang yung enter. Okay? So press mo yung enter and then ito na siya. So ito yung laman ng ating na-create na text file. Right? So makikita mo dito yung ating C drive, semicolons, /users, yung username, /desktop, /myfile.txt. And then press mo lang yung enter at makikita mo na dito yung text file. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to view text file in command prompt and PowerShell in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.